Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and I want to go over this week real quick. Again, I like what we're doing with the option for you guys to set up how you organize your time to get everything done by Friday. And let's go over what we have. These are the learning goals for the week, and I'm going to drop this video I'm making right now right at the top of the agenda. I do have some lectures for you guys. I didn't want to stand in front of you and read a bunch of PowerPoints this week, so I made some quick videos about different topics that we need to be thinking of this week and coming up soon. So watch those on your own time. You have better things to do in my class, so consider this like a flipped classroom. I think the longest one is about 9 minutes, and I think there were less than 5 for most of them. Okay, so that's the lectures you need to check out. Again, when you watch lectures, you should probably take some notes or capture some key ideas and that sort of thing. All of these are PowerPoints that are available in the PLTW curriculum, except for a couple, and at least the ideas are tackled in there. So you have other places to find this, but it's probably a good idea to take a few notes as you go. All right. Virtual students, you'll continue like we did last week. Every day, just drop in a little report using this link, and it's the same link over and over, so just tell me what you did today. It's time-stamped. I get your email address. I know who you are, and I can see when you're interacting with my class. All right? Onshape. I have a video here about re-upping your Onshape or setting up an Onshape account. There are 2 learning pathways that are self-directed that I will give you a major grade for your completion. Onshape Fundamentals and the Parts Studio. Those are the 2 that you can get credit for. That way, my students that had me last year, you can go on to the next level and get a certification there. So you have availability for a major grade as well. So we will be doing technical drawings at some point. Onshape is a great solution for that. Let's move on down. Here's a TED Talk by Amos Winter. I expect you to watch that and capture some ideas and attitudes that are applicable to your project. You will have to give me some feedback on this, so make sure you actually do it. Here's the first assignment for the week. Is the STEM intersection. So what you're going to do is take your specifications and your parameters from your last several assignments, and you're going to compile a list of all of those, and then you're going to tell me what physics and science and math principles those connect to, and provide the formulas for those. That's what this one is about. I expect that this assignment done well will take about 2 days, and the more time you spend here, later when we get into testing criteria, your job will be short there. If you don't spend time here, you're going to make it up later, and you'll also not get a great grade on this. So spend some time on this. I'm expecting about 2 days. I just need 1 per group. This guy is talking about visual communication. He talks kind of slow. I would speed him up to double speed, but this is Dan Rome. He wrote the book Back of the Napkin, and he's talking about visual communication and how you can use visuals to share your ideas quickly and effectively and make you look like an expert. So I want you to watch and learn about that. And then I have an assignment. This is 1 per group, and I want you to develop a survey instrument. And what I mean is you've got to come up with some questions about your proposed solution to get some stakeholder feedback, your experts, user groups, and that sort of thing. So I have some additional information inside that assignment. So that's 1 per group. You need 5 or more questions, and when you're done, I need you to turn that in. Let's get those done by about Wednesday so that we can print them out and peer review each other's surveys, and I can take a look at them. That way we can make sure your grammar is solid, that you're asking appropriate questions and that sort of thing. And then once you have that done, you can send them out probably around Thursday. Then I have a video here from Timothy Prestero, and he is talking about designing a design principle that I think is really important for us to grasp, and that is that there are no dumb users, just dumb design So I want you to watch that and get your thoughts and feedback there. So get some ideas and attitudes that you need to apply to your own project. And then we have the assignment called the napkin, and I will have some napkins for you. This is individual. You are going to sketch your proposed solution, what it would actually look like. You're going to annotate it to explain how it works. You can kind of see an annotated napkin in the background here. So you're going to actually do this, and this goes to the design for Southwest Airlines was actually started on a napkin. Okay. And then Thursday, you're just wrapping up whatever you need to take care of this week. Tres Expertos, I am going to collect whatever you have sent to me on Friday, and that's going to determine your score. To get a 100, you have to have 3 feedbacks from, or 3 evidence of feedback from 3 experts to get a 100. Otherwise, I need to just see at least that you've reached out to at least 3 experts. Well, that was rough. Okay, and then the end of the week, we're going to cap it off with a quick report where you kind of summarize everything you've done this week. Another thing I need you to think about is if you were going to build a model of your proposed design that was, like 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot, what would you need to make it out of? You need to be thinking that way, because that's what we're going to do next week. You're going to build a model of what you're going to design. Okay, so that's what we're into this week. One last little footnote. This is about how to add a equation editor to Google Slides, and that's it. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, let me know, and we will go from there.